In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ShareAcart Plus. ShareAcart Plus is a feature set that we launched which allows you to easily see, manage, and organize the carts that you have either created yourself or received from others. In order to access these features, navigate to shareacart.com, click the login button on the upper right, select your email provider. At ShareAcart we use Google, so I will press continue with Google. I will click on my email address and I am presented with a list of carts. There are 4 carts here, you can see them. The first one, science class safety equipment. The green icon to the left of it indicates that it was a cart that I received from someone else, and the last 3 carts are carts that I created. For carts you created, you can edit the name if you need to change that. You can also see in the next column over to the right what vendor these carts came from. Further to the right, you can see when these carts were created. These 3 blue lines indicate the ability to enter a note or view a note. Here I put in a purchase order number, but I can edit that and enter whatever text I want, and then save that for future reference. Another way to organize carts is to add tags. So if this is for a science class, I can add tags to make sure I understand the purpose of this cart. So say this was, maybe I want to enter science as a tag, maybe the teacher's name, if this is for a science class, and maybe I want to say that this is a pending order because I haven't actually ordered it yet. I can press save, those tags appear. Later on, once these products are ordered, I can go in and change pending. I can remove the pending tag and say it was completed or delivered or anything like that. Of course, I can also click on the cart name to see the actual contents of the cart. I can also export all the carts you see here. If I press export, it will download an Excel file which gives me the details of everything that I saw on that screen if you need the list in that format. And the other thing I can do is search carts. So say I just want to take a look at all the carts that were for science classes. I can just press science and you can see only the carts show up that have the science tag applied to them. I think that's it. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any feedback or comments or requests, please let us know. And thanks again.